Hey everyone! With the release of the HOTWAV Cyber 15 rugged smartphone, the company known for its tough goods, HOTWAV, is poised to transform the market for tough smartphones. This smartphone, which has a sleek secondary touchscreen on the rear and a powerful Samsung 200 megapixels lens, combines a small and lightweight design with robust construction. The Cyber 15 has been validated with IP68 and IP69K ratings and MIL STD 810 certification, indicating its remarkable resistance to water, dust, and drops. Robust protection is ensured by firmly screwed metal frames lining the sides and reinforced rubber protecting each of the four corners. Glass made of Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protects the screen. The standout feature of the Cyber 15 is its rear main camera, equipped with a Samsung HP3 lens. This lens features ultra-small 0.56 sized pixels, with Smart ISO Pro, staggered HDR, and supercharged Super QPD autofocus. The Cyber 15 captures images with exceptional clarity and detail. Enhanced by PixSmart's AI Boost technology, it excels at producing breathtaking 200 megapixels images. The 24 megapixels night vision camera ensures precise imaging in the darkest settings, while the Sony 32 megapixels front camera guarantees perfect selfies and video calls. Adding to its appeal, the Cyber 15 includes a stylish and functional secondary touchscreen on the back. It also provides at-a-glance updates on battery status and step count, ensuring users stay informed and connected throughout the day. The HOTWAV Cyber 15 is powered by Helio G99 octa-core processor, with 12 gigs of RAM and 12 gigs of virtual expansion, ensuring smooth multitasking and seamless performance. Running on the latest Android 13 OS, it provides an intuitive and efficient user experience, with a built-in ROM of 256 gigs and support for expansion up to 2 terabytes. Featuring a spacious 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with 2K resolution, the Cyber 15 delivers crisp and vibrant visuals. With support for up to 120 Hz refresh rate, every swipe and scroll feels incredibly smooth and responsive, providing an immersive viewing experience. Equipped with a robust 6,280 mAh battery, the Cyber 15 ensures long-lasting power for all your adventures. With 33 watts fast charging capabilities, you can quickly recharge your device and get back to exploring in no time. Additionally, it supports 10 watts reverse charging. The Cyber 15 offers convenient security features such as face and fingerprint unlock. With NFC support, you can easily make mobile payments and transfer data wirelessly. Additionally, it features a customizable shortcut button, highlighted in red on the left side of the phone. You may take advantage of a special launch deal on AliExpress from June 1st to 7th to buy the HOTWAV Cyber 15 rugged smartphone for approximately $170. A terrific opportunity to purchase a top-tier tough smartphone at an amazing price is presented by this limited-time deal. In conclusion, the HOTWAV Cyber 15 rugged smartphone is anticipated to revolutionize the rugged smartphone industry. With its sleek form, cutting-edge functionality, and strong durability combined, it provides an unmatched user experience for both daily use and tough environments. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.